This is Chapter 6, Part 5. Problem number 21. The physician orders 40 milligrams per meter squared, so that means this is our body surface area. Okay, 40 milligrams per meter squared of a drug once daily. How many milligrams of the drug would you administer to an adult patient weighing 88 kilograms with a height of 150 centimeters? Okay, so I need to calculate the body surface area using this information so that I can change this into simply milligrams. So let's find the body surface area first. We are given kilograms and centimeters, which is precisely what we need in the metric version of the equation. So I'm going to take the kilograms times the centimeters, so 88 times 150. And then for metric, it's divided by 3,600. And then we take the square root. Okay, 88 times 150 is 13,200 divided by 3,600. And then take the square root. I get that, which is kind of ugly, and then I need to take the square root of that. And let's, I'm going to have to use an approximation here. We've been rounding these to 2 decimal places, so let's do that again. The 4 is below 5, so that 1 is going to stay the same. So we're going to say that our body surface area is approximately 1.91 meters squared. Now that we have that, we can use this. I want to end up with milligrams, and I'm trying to change this into a dosage. So I take 1.91 meters squared over 1 times, there are 40 milligrams per meter squared. So 40 milligrams per 1 meter squared. Now the square meters cancel. So I should multiply. I'm not going to use that big one. I've already made a rounding. So 1.91 times 40 is 76.4. So 76.4 milligrams is the answer you want there. Okay, so number 22. The prescriber ordered 30 milligrams per meter squared. Again, that meter squared is going to be our body surface area. Of a drug, stat, for a patient who has a BSA of 1.65 meters squared. So they provide that for you this time. The safe dose range for this drug is 20 to 40 milligrams per day. Calculate the prescribed dose in milligrams and then determine if it is in the safe range. There are 2 ways to do this. I mean, you could change these and figure out what the body surface area is for both of those, but really just convert this. So 30, okay, I have 30 milligrams per 1 meter squared. I'm trying to get to milligrams. I'm given meters squared here, so I'm going to put it on this side, 1.65, and that's meters squared over 1. Now the meters squared cancel, and I need to figure 1.65 times 30 to get 49.5. Let me do that again. Yeah, 49.5 milligrams. So this is what has been prescribed. We're asked to give the dose in milligrams and then determine if it is in the safe range. Well, the safe range is 20 to 40 milligrams. I'm checking my units, and this is definitely higher than this, so this is not safe. Doctors make mistakes. You need to be aware of these things and calculating and making sure that what they prescribe is something that is safe to prescribe. All right. All right, last problem in this section. We have this order for 500 milligrams per meter squared, that's body surface area. How many scored 50 milligram capsules of the drug would you administer to a patient who has a BSA of 149 meters squared, 1.49? Okay, so kind of like what we did above, I'm going to take the 1.49 meters squared, and then I use this. I want my meter squared to cancel out, so for each meter squared, the drug is prescribed at 200 milligrams each. Okay, so the meters squared cancel out. I get 1.49 times 200 to get 298. So 298 milligrams. Now I want to convert milligrams into capsules. Okay, so I take the 298 milligrams, and then I'm going to use this. There are 50 milligrams in each capsule. Okay, the milligrams cancel, and if I take 298 and divide it by 50, I get 5.96 capsules. Now, obviously, this is a scored drug. You could split it in half, but that's not half. So really, this is just 6 capsules. Okay, that's the end of chapter 6.